I'm Justin Touchstone. I'm the state advisor for the Idaho Technology Student Association, and behind me is our drone contest. We revamped it this year to incorporate a lot more skills. We believe this is a great technology for kids to learn STEM, problem solving, teamwork skills, and it can lead them to a great career in drone technology, and even into the engineering design fields, as they have to adapt their drone to meet certain criteria and to do certain jobs within it. So it gets them thinking about how to use drones in different ways than just a fast racing format.
What we're doing is we're all about bringing tech into the classrooms and having students learn and how to develop tech and use it to solve problems in their communities.
We are going to do two different skills tests. One which is a relay race where we grab a baton and fly it in a loop, and the other is a race about flying around obstacles.
I love flying drones, and I definitely feel I am ready.
I feel like I'm ready, but you never know. It's always it's like any basketball game or football game. It's a little nerve-wracking, but you just gotta go past the butterflies and focus and fly your best, I guess.
PCS has been a great partner for us in this drone contest as we've developed it over the last 2 years. This is our third year in doing this. They have been a great partner in developing the RubiQ that has gone into the classrooms.
We begged our teacher to buy us the PCS RubiQ 2.0 because we thought assembling a drone was super cool and super hands-on, and taking the safety test and going through the cards and all that was super fun. And after we got it, then we did all the calibration ourselves. It's super overwhelming at first, but if you ease into it, it becomes easier over time. At first it was more like a job reading through all the paperwork, but as soon as we got past that, it was like a hobby. We really enjoyed putting it together and customizing it to what we liked and what we thought was cool and what we could do, and all the capabilities of programming it and having all the programs that change what it does just little by little, and it actually affects the drone and how it flies.
I think it's also cool that you can assemble your own RubiQ also, so you kind of learn more about the parts and how they work in the drone. Well, beginning off, like I said earlier, I couldn't even get it off the floor, keep it on the same level, hover it, but we set tiny goals. So for example, one day we were just practice on flying around obstacles and maintaining a proper balance on the height we're flying at.
We went out every day, even when it was snowing. It was a little risky, but we went out every day just so we could get the experience, and it was just it felt like a team sport, because the more you work at it, the better you get.
I think the hardest part about this starting off was I would normally make it too jerky, so I would just fly straight up into the ceiling basically. But as I got better, I learned to make more slight adjustments and to have more control over the drone. So it's basically just practicing on being slow with your movements and taking your time. But now I'm most confident with flying drones.
This is fun. This was amazing. Oh my gosh. There are so many things you can do. You can just go at, last year was the beginning of the drone competition. You could go at flying drones. I made a song last year. I mean, I did a bunch of things. I freaking had so much fun. And it was just one of the funnest times I had as of last year. It doesn't matter if you're trying to get into the technical field or not. Overall, it's just a fun experience.
Yeah, technology helps in every single career since technology is becoming more prevalent in society.
I just really think TSA it covers all those grounds, so that no matter who you are, you're gonna have a lot of fun.
Yeah, and also I think that the differences in the people is what helps make TSA great, because you can teach others about stuff regarding technology and about other career paths.
And it's exciting to see how innovative the students have been. They are excited about learning, and for teachers who haven't been able to attend, it'd be a great event to get your kids involved and have them come and compete with the other schools in the state.
Today we saw students that not only were collaborating and working together, showcasing their piloting skills, but also speaking really knowledgeably about drones, how they're currently being used, and how they could be used in the future, whether in their careers or other fields they may want to pursue. So for us, that's really the encouraging thing, and we're excited to see where it goes next year.